What's going on, everybody? It's Spicy Topic. Nature Boy is creeping on Velvet's live, basically taking it personal and making it about him when she's really talking to her haters and detractors. Take a look.
She's using my daughter to make money. She's still using my energy. She like feeding off my energy. She's a parasite.
Oh, they said that's another one.
Fucking parasite, bro. Stole my energy and she's using it to get fame. Why she scratching on her head for? Look at that. What's wrong with her head?
And another one.
Why she scratching?
And another one. Another one. Yo.
Like that.
Thank you for the gift, guys. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, baby. Yeah, get off that shit.
Thank you, Phoenix.
Why she
I
itching?
appreciate that. You got a mosquito bite right in between your eyes. I appreciate the gift, y'all.
Look at them 4 chicks. All that he sacrificed his daughter for them. Okay, so have them, be with them. Look at them looking at you, peeking at you like little mice. You should be focused on them because you didn't want to sacrifice yourself for your daughter, so she's no longer your daughter.